Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, I'm going to show you how to add videos and fully featured video channels to your Wix website. Whether you're running a blog, showcasing your portfolio, or sharing tutorials of your own, adding engaging video content is one of the best ways to connect with visitors and keep them coming back. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create a powerful video hub right on your Wix site, and it's easier than you might think. So let's dive straight into it. First, open up your Wix web design dashboard. This is the main control area for your website. If you've logged into Wix before, you'll probably see your homepage, plus a panel of tools on the left. That's where all the magic happens when you want to customize your site. If you're new, don't worry. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this layout. Think of it as the cockpit for your website. Everything you need is right here. Next, look over to that panel on the left-hand side. You're going to click on Add Apps. Apps in Wix are kind of like plugins in other website builders. They let you pack in extra functionality to your site without doing any coding. Once you select Add Apps, you'll be taken to the Wix App Market. This is like a one-stop shop for features ranging from contact forms to booking calendars and, yes, video channels. Now, in the search bar at the top of the App Market, type in Wix Video. You should see the Wix Video app pop up as one of the top results. Go ahead and select it, then click Add to Site. This part may take a few moments while Wix installs the app and gets it set up. Don't worry if you see a spinning wheel or a loading screen, it's completely normal. Imagine it like bringing in new furniture to your digital house. It needs a second to settle in. Once it's done loading, congratulations! You now have a video channel live on your website. The Wix Video app isn't just a simple video player. It creates a dedicated channel where you can organize, display, and manage all your videos in one spot. This is perfect if you want to showcase tutorials, host a mini video gallery, or even launch a web series. If you want to add your own videos, look for the option that says Manage Video. Click on that, and you'll get a dashboard where you can upload video files directly. You aren't limited to files just on your computer either. You can also upload from your Dropbox or Google Drive accounts. This is really handy if you store your media in the cloud, or if you're working with a team and people share files from different sources. But maybe your videos are already out there on another platform like YouTube, Vimeo, or even Facebook. Wix Video makes it super easy to embed those too. All you need is the video's URL. Paste the link in the space provided, and the video appears right on your site, fully playable for your visitors. It's almost like magic. No need to fuss around with complicated embed codes or extra steps. Just copy, paste, and you're done. And that's it, just like that. You've set up a video channel and learned how to add both uploaded and embedded videos. Don't worry if it takes you a bit to get comfortable. With just a little practice, you'll be populating your site with awesome video content in no time. If you get stuck, remember you can always reach out in the comments or search Wix's Help Center for advice. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It helps the channel grow and lets me know what kind of tutorials you want to see. Drop any questions or tips in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on new guides. See you in the next tutorial, and happy website building!